Welcome to Miami, the Magic City. Known for its vibrant culture, tropical beaches, world-famous nightlife, and rich history, Miami is one of the most iconic destinations in the United States. Whether you're into art, food, nature, or simply soaking up the sun, Miami has something for everyone. In this guide, we'll take you through everything you need to see and do in Miami to make your trip unforgettable. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, buckle up because this is your ultimate Miami travel guide. South Beach and Ocean Drive. Let's start with one of the most recognizable parts of Miami, South Beach. Located in the heart of Miami Beach, South Beach is the perfect place to kick off your adventure. With its white sand, turquoise water, and Art Deco architecture, it's as photogenic as it is fun. Take a stroll down Ocean Drive, the world-famous boulevard lined with pastel-colored buildings, trendy cafes, and classic cars. This area is especially lively in the evening, with neon lights, music, and bustling crowds. Whether you're here to sunbathe, people watch, or enjoy outdoor dining, South Beach captures the essence of Miami's energy and glamour. Wynwood Walls and Wynwood Arts District. Next, head to the Wynwood Arts District, one of the most exciting neighborhoods in Miami. At the center of this district is Wynwood Walls, an open-air museum featuring some of the most incredible street art in the world. International artists come here to paint massive, vibrant murals that transform the neighborhood into a constantly evolving gallery. But Wynwood is more than just art. You'll find craft breweries, boutique shops, food trucks, and experimental restaurants all around. It's one of the best places to walk around, grab a bite, and get inspired. Little Havana. For a taste of Miami's Cuban soul, make your way to Little Havana. This cultural hotspot is bursting with flavor both literally and figuratively. The main strip, Calle Ocho, is filled with Cuban restaurants, cigar shops, live music, and colorful street life. Stop by Domino Park to see locals playing dominoes, enjoy a Cuban sandwich or some croquetas, and maybe sip on a cafecito while you take in the rhythms of salsa and sun. Don't miss the Tower Theater, one of Miami's oldest cultural landmarks, or try to time your visit with the famous Viernes Culturales, a monthly street festival celebrating Cuban culture, Biscayne Bay, and the Miami skyline. Miami's skyline is stunning, especially when viewed from the water. For one of the best perspectives, take a boat tour on Biscayne Bay. You'll get up-close views of downtown Miami, the Port of Miami, and Star Island, home to celebrities and luxury mansions. You can book sightseeing cruises, rent jet skis, or even charter a private yacht if you're feeling adventurous. As the sun sets, the water reflects the city lights, making for an unforgettable scene. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. If you're in the mood for something more tranquil, visit the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens in Coconut Grove. This Italian Renaissance-style villa was built in the early 20th century and is surrounded by lush gardens, sculptures, and a peaceful waterfront. Inside, you'll find antique European furniture, elegant decor, and a rich history that gives a glimpse into Miami's past. It's one of the most beautiful and underrated spots in the city, a perfect escape from the modern buzz. The Design District. For luxury shopping, cutting-edge architecture, and fine art, head to the Miami Design District. This neighborhood is sleek and modern, home to high-end brands like Louis Vuitton, Prada, and Gucci, as well as innovative art installations and contemporary galleries. It's also a food lover's paradise, with world-class restaurants and cafes. Whether you're shopping or just admiring the design, this is a great area to explore for a more upscale Miami experience. Everglades National Park. No trip to Miami is complete without an adventure into the wild, and the Everglades are right at your doorstep. Just a short drive from the city, Everglades National Park offers a chance to see alligators, manatees, and tropical birds in their natural habitat. You can take an airboat tour through the sawgrass marshes or rent a kayak to explore the quieter parts of the park. It's a total contrast to the city's urban energy and a reminder of the diverse ecosystems that surround Miami. Key Biscayne and Crandon Park. For a more laid-back beach day, Key Biscayne is a local favorite. It's less crowded than South Beach and offers a more natural setting. Crandon Park has calm, shallow waters, perfect for families, and Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park features a historic lighthouse you can climb for panoramic views. Bring a picnic, rent a bike, or just enjoy the peaceful scenery. It's a great way to unwind and soak in the beauty of Miami's nature. Downtown Miami and Brickell. Downtown Miami and the Brickell area are the city's financial and business hubs, but they also offer plenty of attractions. Visit the Paris Art Museum Miami, PAM. Explore the shops at Brickell City Center or walk along the bayfront at Maurice A. Ferré Park. This area is also a nightlife hotspot with rooftop bars, trendy lounges, and some of the city's best restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for fine dining or a craft cocktail with a view, Brickell delivers. The Miami Beach Boardwalk. Stretching for miles along the ocean, the Miami Beach Boardwalk is ideal for walking, biking, or rollerblading. It runs from South Point Park all the way to North Beach, passing iconic hotels, palm-lined beaches, and Art Deco gems. This is one of the best ways to experience the coast while staying active. Early morning and late afternoon are perfect times to enjoy the ocean breeze and scenic views. Coral Gables and the Venetian Pool. Coral Gables is known as the City Beautiful, and it lives up to its name. With its Mediterranean-style architecture, tree-lined streets, and upscale boutiques, it's a charming neighborhood to explore. One of the highlights here is the Venetian Pool, a historic public swimming pool built in 1924 from a coral rock quarry. It features waterfalls, grottos, and spring water. It's like stepping into a European resort. Miami Seaquarium. For family-friendly fun, the Miami Seaquarium offers marine shows, animal encounters, and educational exhibits. Located on Virginia Key, the park is home to dolphins, sea lions, manatees, and more. It's a classic Miami attraction that's both entertaining and informative, especially for kids. Jungle Island. Jungle Island is another great spot for families and animal lovers. This eco-adventure park features exotic animals, interactive exhibits, and zip-lining experiences. It's located between downtown and Miami Beach, making it easy to visit during your stay. Nightlife in Miami. Miami's nightlife is legendary. From beach clubs and rooftop bars to salsa dancing in Little Havana and world-famous DJs at mega clubs, there's something happening every night. Places like Live at the Fontainebleau, E11 Even, and Story are staples of the club scene. If you're into something more relaxed, check out a jazz lounge, speakeasy, or rooftop cocktail bar. Just remember, Miami nights go late, so pace yourself. Food in Miami, what to eat. No guide to Miami would be complete without talking about the food. The city's cuisine reflects its cultural melting pot: Cuban, Haitian, Peruvian, Colombian, Mexican, and more. Try a Cuban sandwich, enjoy stone crabs at Joe's, grab a fresh ceviche, or snack on empanadas and pastelitos. Don't forget to try Miami's signature drink, the mojito. For fine dining, check out spots like Mandolin Aegean Bistro, Zuma, or Versailles for a classic Cuban experience. Events and festivals. Miami hosts incredible events all year round. Art Basel in December transforms the city into a global art capital. The South Beach Wine and Food Festival brings world-renowned chefs and foodies together in February. Other major events include the Ultra Music Festival, the Miami International Boat Show, and Carnival Miami. Check your travel dates. You might just catch one of these iconic celebrations. Hidden gems. Miami is full of surprises. Check out the Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden in Coral Gables, the Deering Estate for a mix of nature and history, or Espanola Way in South Beach for a romantic European-style street full of charm. Don't overlook the rooftop views at the W Hotel, the underwater Jesus statue at Neptune Memorial Reef, or the colorful lifeguard towers along the beach. Tips for visiting Miami. Weather. Miami is hot and humid most of the year, with hurricane season from June to November. Always pack light clothes, sunscreen, and stay hydrated. Transport. Renting a car is useful if you plan to explore beyond the city, but traffic can be heavy. Otherwise, use ride shares, the Metro Rail, or the free Metro Mover downtown. Language. English is the official language, but Spanish is widely spoken. Learning a few basic Spanish phrases can go a long way. Tipping. In restaurants, tipping 15 to 20% is standard. Miami is a city of contrasts where cultures mix, nature meets luxury, and every corner offers something new. Whether you're here for the beaches, the art, the food, or the nightlife, you'll leave with unforgettable memories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching and welcome to Miami.